On 23rd January 2018, at 1:34 p.m., an earthquake struck Indonesia. According to the National Agency for Meteorological, Climatological, and Geophysics, the 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck off the Indian Ocean, precisely 43 kilometers south of Lebak Regency, Banten Province, or 120 kilometers southwest of Jakarta at a depth of 10 kilometers. The earthquake was also felt in some provinces in Java and Sumatra Island. Hundreds of homes and public facilities, including schools and mosques, damaged, with majority numbers in Lebak Regency, Banten Province, and Bogor Regency, West Java Province.
Pas kemarin 1:30 ya, pas gitu saya lagi di dapur, terus ada ibu saya lagi duduk, pas gitu langsung lari itunya, langsung ke bawah semua. Ya panik juga Pak, kan si dede ini lagi di dapur, pas gitu saya lagi di dapur saya bawa aja langsung. Pas ibu saya lagi duduk di kursi. Cuman kejadiannya gitu, takutnya ibu saya ke itu gitu. Takutnya gitu.
MTA Indonesian Studios reporting from Bogor, Indonesia.